Yes, may I speak to someone in service?
Sure, one moment.
Thank you.
Corvette World Houston.
Hello, is Chad around?
He's off today. Won't be back till tomorrow at 9.
Oh, okay. Well, I have a seat motor that went out in my driver's seat on a C6. Is there any way you can give me an estimate on the cost of that repair?
Has the vehicle been in for service before?
Yes, it has.
Okay, what's the last name?
Adams, Adams.
First name?
Aaron, Aaron.
2009?
Yes.
Driver or passenger seat?
The driver's seat.
Oh, I guess it would help. Sadly, those motors aren't serviceable. You have to buy the whole seat track.
The whole seat track? How much is that?
The seat track itself is 1200.
So what is the seat track?
So it's going to be, there's about 4 or 5 different motors on there that do different things.
Okay.
There's three motors on there. So you have to buy all 3 of them motors. And then it's the bottom framing.
So is that a actual seat, or is that just the rails on the bottom of the seat?
Just the rails on the bottom of the seat.
Okay, I got you. And how much is it to install that?
Let me pull a lever. Hold on just one sec. You usually get like a big pallet of rotors. I can find you. Yeah. We're great. Labor's $299.
So I can buy completely brand new seats for that amount. I can probably buy some. Do you guys sell the 2012 seats?
No, I mean I could price them out, but it'd be brand new seats, so it would be